Hey guys, just making this one pot meal using 2 packages of sausage that I'm just browning in a little bit of olive oil. I'm adding half of an onion. This recipe is so easy, you can make it in less than 30 minutes. Then 1 package of frozen cauliflower. You can use fresh also, but this is quicker. And then what you're gonna do is add in about 3 cloves of garlic. Let that cook down until it's nice and brown, and until the sausage and everything is cooked. After that, you're gonna add in 1 package of fresh or frozen broccoli. I like a lot of broccoli, so I'm gonna add in actually 2 packages of broccoli because it does melt down. Once I've done that, make sure and season it, salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then you just add in 1 package of cheese. I use Colby Jack cheese, just put on top. Stick this under broil just a few minutes, and it is so nice and cheesy, one of my favorite dishes. Easy to make. Make sure and hit that follow button for more great recipes and follow